Alright, boys. We gotta reevaluate this plan.
Yeah, you have to reevaluate your love with Jemmy's mom because she's mine.
I wanna know what love is.
I'll show them.
Holy shit! Is that fucking Carl Wheezer?
Yeah, it's me, your friend Carl. Yeah, let's fuck him up.
3, 2, 1.
Holy shit, when did Jimmy Neutron move to Adult Swim?
The objective.
Yeah, I just can't stop thinking about Jemmy's mom.
Alright, Carl, I think it's time to call Jimmy. We need a man with a plan.
No, I fucking hate that loser. I want him dead so I can have his mom.
You know he's not in a relationship with his mother.
Don't fucking care. I don't want to be his dad.
1 to 1.
Yeah, I really don't. I don't like Jimmy. I don't. I'm only around him for his mom. His mom always has purple flavor in the fridge and a little bit of fish snack.
What's
She
your...
always listens to me when I have my llamas around. She loves my llamas.
Carl, tell me how you really feel about Jimmy's mom.
Jimmy's mom is a thirsty, thick bitch.
3, 2, 1.
What would you do for one date with Jimmy's mom?
I've already had it.
How'd it go?
I don't want to talk about it.
Carl, do you think maybe you're jealous? You're jealous of Jimmy?
No, I'm not. If I'm anything, I'm too horny.
Defeat.
Carl.
Play of the game.
You better hope Jimmy's mom didn't see that.
Kill the Mahal.